How can I turn this into a repeatable process? Zach, a computer science student at Georgia Tech, documented every step of his first successful project and created templates. When his next opportunity came, he completed in 3 hours what had previously taken 12. Third, they embrace valuable imperfection over perfectionism. They understand that a good solution delivered today creates more opportunity than a perfect solution delivered next month. Mia, an art major at UCLA, launched her design service before she felt ready. My early work wasn't my best, she admitted, but I improved faster because I was working with real clients giving real feedback, not just practicing in isolation. Fourth, successful side hustlers maintain unwavering belief despite evidence to the contrary. During weeks when no one responds to proposals or a client ghosts them, they see it as a temporary data point in a longer journey. When Tyler, an engineering student at MIT, went 2 weeks without a single response, he doubled his outreach and refined his messaging. The following week, he landed 3 clients worth over $4,000. Fifth, they practice realistic optimism. They acknowledge challenges while maintaining confidence in their ability to overcome them. When Sophia from Columbia University faced a difficult client situation, she told me, "I didn't pretend everything was fine, but I also didn't catastrophize. I thought, this is tough, but I've got the skills to handle it." The difference between consumer and creator mindsets reminds me of 2 hikers facing the same mountain. The consumer stands at the base, staring up, saying, "Someone should build an elevator here." The creator starts mapping a path, thinking, "I wonder which route will give me the best view." Both see the same challenge, but one waits for solutions while the other creates them. When a client goes silent, the consumer thinks, "They didn't like me," and gives up. The creator thinks, "They're busy people. How can I add value and re-engage them?" Ethan from Arizona State followed up with a potential client by sending a helpful article related to their business problem. That thoughtful action resulted in a $1,800 project. When facing unfamiliar tasks, the consumer says, "I don't know how, so I can't accept." The creator says, "I don't know how yet, but I'll figure it out." Lauren, a marketing major at University of Texas, had never built an email automation sequence when requested. Instead of declining, she asked for 3 extra days to research. She learned what she needed, delivered excellently, and now specializes in email marketing at $85 per hour. When receiving criticism, the consumer takes it personally. The creator thinks, "Great, free consulting on how to improve." Daniel, a finance student at NYU, told me about a client who initially rejected his analysis report. Instead of arguing, he thanked them for the feedback, made changes, and delivered a revised version the next day. That client later referred him to 3 colleagues. This mindset shift doesn't require years of therapy or major personality changes. You can begin rewiring neural pathways with this simple 10-minute daily practice. 1. What value can I create today? Not, what can I get today? 2. What problem am I excited to solve? Not, what do I have to do today? 3. What one small thing can I improve in my business? Not, what's wrong with my business? Kevin, an economics major at UC Berkeley, committed to this practice for 30 days. At first it felt weird and forced, he told me. But by week 3, I noticed I was automatically thinking about problems differently. My first thought wasn't "I can't do this anymore." It was, "How might I approach this?" His monthly income doubled during this period because his approach to opportunities transformed. For stubborn limiting beliefs, use this framework. First, write down the belief exactly as it appears in your mind. Second, find one concrete example that disproves it. Third, create a replacement belief that acknowledges reality while opening possibilities. Old belief: "No one will pay me professional rates because I'm just a student." Contradicting evidence: Maya, a sophomore with similar experience, earns $45 per hour. New belief: some clients value results over credentials, and I can position myself to attract those clients. This isn't about positive thinking. It's about accurate thinking that doesn't unnecessarily limit your potential. When progress feels slow, successful side hustlers maintain momentum by focusing on process goals instead of outcomes, breaking challenges into smaller components, using momentum partners for accountability. These relationships help students earn 40% more than those going it alone, and maintaining progress trackers that visualize growth over time. Well, guys, we've reached the finish line of our $10,000 roadmap. The truth is, your success isn't about some magical formula or secret hack. It's about taking this 90-day plan and actually doing something with it. Look at your screen right now. This is literally day one of your journey if you choose it to be. The students who crush their financial goals are the ones who start today instead of someday. So here's my question. Which quick cash skill are you going to tackle this week? Drop a comment below with your choice.